before we do the bridge?
Sure.
This was, yeah, 6 that we just said? Yeah.
So right now we're at the Kinzua Bridge. It fell. Basically what they did is they built this bridge as a train track, and one big storm happened, and I guess they didn't like bolt it down, so it dead ass like fell, and it just like fell in its spot.
Walk out there and look down as you walk. It gives you a little pucker factor, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
What if these fall and walk on the cracks?
What if your shoe came off?
Look at my toes.
They're holding on?
Yeah. Wait, I'm scared.
That's pretty far. 300 some feet. Crazy.
You want me to take your picture?
Out there.
The person on the trail. Where? Oh yeah.
Where?
Walking on it. See the trail? It's gnarly how like it just like all fell.
This is amazing.
This is the one time you need a strap on that camera.
Nah. 24 hours away. It's intense.
Oh my god.
It's pretty wild that this thing just collapsed like that.
There was
Say that again.
no, because I look terrible.
There's a bird right there.
Oh.
Probably waiting for those people on the walking path to die.
Yeah. For them to drop.
I was telling Tanner that seeing this in pictures and online, it's beautiful, but it doesn't no justice to
Oh, no, you
actually
can't see
come
it.
out
Yeah.
on the bridge and actually look down and see all that metal just sitting there,
Right.
laying there.
You don't realize how like high it actually is.
Yes.
This is what, 308 feet?
Something like that. Statue of Liberty would fit underneath it.
Yeah.
It doesn't even look real.
Real nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why all those people are out there walking on the trail.
So when did this actually fall?
2003?
It's up top. Yeah.
Yeah, July 21st, 2003.
Oh. No.
You recording the whole time?
Yeah, you're good. It would be gnarly if I got out like there.
No. We might get thrown out just for you doing that.
That's pretty intense.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna keep the camera on in case you fall. Looking at it on the internet and then looking at it in real life is way different.
Yeah.
Perception that you get with your eyes.
It's just like way up there. I didn't realize it was like that tall.
Yeah, it's bridge across this valley.
Look at that, man. That's crazy. That's one thing Natural Bridge doesn't have. It's like an actual entrance like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's smaller.
Yeah. It is cold. So at least they at least put on different shoes to be down here. They did like a cloth type of footwear. I don't know how well my camera is picking all this up, but that,
Flash.
yeah, but that's so sick. I wonder if that's not really went up. But
That's probably what that plaque was talking about.